Want to add subtitles to a video you've recorded, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to get captions for your video's audio in the CapCut app. Now let's get started. To add captions to a video using CapCut, open the CapCut app and create a new video project. Select the video you want to add captions to from your device's camera roll. Then tap Add. At the bottom, tap Text. Then tap Auto Captions. Tap Generate. CapCut will automatically detect what is being said in your video and create on-screen text captions to go along with your video. Tap Play to see what they look like. If you need to make changes to the text in your captions, tap Edit Captions at the bottom. Then choose the section of the captions you need to make changes to. Replace the text you want to change, then tap the check mark to save your changes. If you'd like to edit the appearance of your captions, you can drag the text to appear on a different area of the video, or tap Style at the bottom to choose a different template or choose a specific font, color, and other style settings. Tap the check mark to save your changes. Then tap Export to save your video with captions to your camera roll. That's all it takes to add text captions to a video using CapCut. For more helpful CapCut tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of CapCut tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.